deɛ no deɛ akɔ akyiri. Any other international organizations are who should I investigations into Sika Africa area the Akogo Switzerland. Ya boss which we yam betakro. Edo babina abacha ewa Nigeria. She Nigeria manya esochen Ghana empren kakra bi guto no. Na abacha ye 3 times richer than Nigeria. Na abacha ono kwa alataban kakrakana esi hono. Or you're 3 times richer than Nigeria. And wachi sa wodi sika kwasa wodi koto bank bi ewo Switzerland e bibire ma ha enipa bi a wodi adwuma hye wonsa edi sika hye wonsa so won fanya adwuma wiade kona bisaw na yan kan kyerɛw the minimum deposit are you winning $500,000. Ask anybody. So one te ho one yet national one timi mie so ube bia so dia you need $500,000. Answer. What to me Edisika Atoho I was Switzerland. Eti sa what fa on my Africa my back now we need pack by 500. That's a was savvy a chow say 500,000 times 500. I wa baba nani. It's a toda ya na a yemi wanwa kakra. Now there are 25 corruption scandals that shook the foundations of the world. Your corruption cases, makum, 25. What we are seeing? Annual ship. What you say? I want to make us say. Over to me at TMA. Ebia what say office. Would you just type the 25 corruption scandals that shook the world? Never dear. Dear Tosumienu esiwo Africa, esiwo Nigeria. Cameroon your maya. Minister Ba. Cameroon hayao. Minister Ba. Etimi at $17 million. Egu card so card. So Timedi ko jina car showroom. Ba wana din beyi dia ope. Ayiwa beyi dia ope. Smart beyi dia ope. Asan beyi dia ope. Tigo beyi dia ope. Asmesi beyi dia ope. Yeah beyi dia ope. Wonso beyi dia ope. Why? It is my birthday. Zambia. Yetimi Kwabrani etimi sesasika ebe pieye na nkrofo bi se eye Dr. Puni mpatwa ye Dr. Puni sasika na egu trunk na setete ye de ko school no ai wa hu sa video no bi na nya opuni ɛyɛ no kra ɛno nyɛ opuni nyɛ Ghana ha. Minister oye in charge of corruption. Ono no na daka na sika sagum ti corruption be na ono all fight here. Africa baby ye do say no. Me danyame asese COVID ba yo. So when you me catch on a plane. Ha me danyame ase pa mania je pa ha yare no ye guy. Dentia me danyame ase ne se. Ade we abebie ebibifo yani. Na sa the current crop of leadership aye was say. So when to me lay foundation ama yenya, I am telling you, we'll go back 10 years again. If you say, Yare whereby no ama ye say each country for himself, God for us all. So France were dra, France frontier pa en Germany. So Germany forward dra. And Tiapa and Belarus. So Belarus forward dra. One Tiapa and Spain. So Spain forward dra. One Tiapa, one bra will be what Ghana had that. You got to think. We are not thinking as Africans. And I am not shocked. I am not surprised. It doesn't amaze me. Sir, some illiterate politicians are holding iPads. They don't know how to use iPads. But meanwhile, when our young girls menstruate, they don't have pads to wear. We are so greedy. It's Akwadatimi University. 2 years. Now, when you're political appointment, so you're deputy minister, so you're minister, so you're DCE. Now, within 2 years, now we sit down here. Now, the professor no train adiano. So I could add to me, and I say, Professor Samwabra, yare, there's something wrong with our brain. We got to look for a solution, and it should be now. There's World Bank corruption report to be. Minyan can ye. But sir, what's nasi? Now we have calculation. Now we share sika. Ya trefi Africa. And ya kwa gun crofo. Never seen our 14 African French-speaking countries. War Africa. Hi, what you are? So what you minimum taxes we just 20% pay to minim. Cameroon kahun, Senegal kahun, Togo kahun, Benin kahun, 14 French-speaking African countries, you know, we found 20% pay to Africa. No, the 80% no add yakogu France. So here's the Canibia at what truck at us or Pobisia. The one sick and us what is wrong with us, Africa? What is wrong with you? Ghana, you were Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, you were Cape Coast University, you were Legon, you were several other universities, including private ones, with brilliant, fantastic, dedicated lecturers who are willing. When my research and the cardboard so a bomb futuro a pro a tetia pasame huria boho gram but pabrane sodia. No assessa sikako baby. Africa. What is wrong with you? Me yamushesheme. But my men kwa humana so. Na mene Dr. Kingsley J. So back here that drada no. Mene wo fana shas ye wie. That we do corruption so. Na so on fante. It drew na ya Dwaso. As I say yetimi ya Africa drew ye betimi ya yo. Na sa leadership deficit na. I don't know if I can ho asem no. And then your bank will do baby. Solutions to tie ena yentie wo ti akwada fia bi sori a na wakwatra radio so I belong to the MPP akwada fia bi sori a na wakwatra TV so I belong to the NDC and they speak nonsense. All that they know to do is to insult people who have got the brains to help Africa grow. And then we are like, yeah, confirm we the woman no din almost politics the we muna akwano okasa pao party ne ba power na tibon kwaso na assistant position mano na wa beye as if so nim nyansa bia ma enye nyansa bia no nimu refined Jimmy refined Jimmy court penny de ahye ho na nya correct. Dr. Kinsley Ajay, wafa watemenka machie. Wadama bibia ebokode. Dr. Ntemenka mushe no hoyi mame na alert no. When him say Nigeria importe laptops see ebe chama sukufo to say the high import be best in the laptops number. What kind of Ghana Police Service? For catching a time na do so by I work high. So Wamakra, a friend say, torchlight, eba, away. Yes, Siposo. Africa, hey, Epsia. I am waiting to see an Africa. An Africa that is not full of diseases. My heart bleeds to see an Africa that when people complete the university and when they come out, my heart bleeds to see they will not become a liability to their parents. And there you see our agenda 2063. Mama de niyama maku edu egukwem from 2013 to 2023 and a 10 years edi kind of beso. You come 7 years, 1 year, one. Dr. Kinsley Ajay, Papa, what's a menka, machine?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, na Bibia Bokodi.
Ready to me, yeah, Namonsoa.
About the other Roma, Yanso Yahoye pa.
You.
About a Jordan, you knew Dean Comoria, yeah. Minya course a kese from penning for umu duru akese ho say wa kuma so asem wa kama wen na and ne ye toaso adano dwada na nka asem bi ho na person ka de soso ansa wa ba corruption nim minim sa o kaya na me ka sen ka twen so wo remfi ya wadaro ma fa no dikan na fe yentinsi asem foforo mu ene kwan be fa so Africa betimi nya ne ntema papa ne fra
yo me chia wetifo nyina na me da so se ofre me ansana me koso no ma me fa me koma buta na pe me tie mo ma me no ne ba o papa pra no na yo adie bi wo sociology mo a yadie na ye ne nam nyina obi a woni yadie but yadie dead abrantie no yadie won ho ye friend no sadism he takes delight in inflicting pain and he sani pano sabi o se oni wo ko so be kawo so be wo sikan ade bia odi ye wo a ono nani beje no na obe on say akatesia no kasa no so mo call plus a proof nani mu kra o si enya hwi na e den we say kitwa bi enti o suffer from sadism erano oni abranche ne timi atena for 7 years abune daki kanwa now that's what hono ko yenya yare bi ye friend masochism or take delight in taking pain enti obi oho ani kuno bunwa no free say ni kuno doni ye enti no wabuno enti awade bia obi oho a o ma okuna bunu abusuafo ko say ye befo akwa ɔsɛ mo nso mo deɛ saa ne teɛ ɔyɛ ɔsuffer from masochism ɛne sɛ n'ani gye sɛ he inflicted pain on him or her. Nti abranteɛ no sɛ ohia psychologist apart from say prosifoɔ yɛde ne bɛkɔ court no yɛbɛdi n'asɛm no wanhye ɔbɛkɔ akɔda mu a ɔbɛba sɛ saa yadeɛ no onya psychologist ne sociologist ɛnkasa nkyerɛ no ntu aseɛ anaasɛ ɔmfaa ne ho ma nyame yie na honhom kronkron no ntu aseɛ maa no a ɛbɛyɛ den mawie no ati yɛmmra yɛasɛm no so last week me ka miensa na leadership crisis and that's a leadership deficit and me ka bribi say yenti development and kasasi and punto no yenti asie and if you ka corruption kakra and ne de me de chasie no eye empire pay more e Africa na ni nyina so ejina languages so mini ata oba Africa ha kasa ye kam odoso dodo na obehu se oman biara akona anim no odi eya check ayire so 10 8 eno kra ba ko wo mu eno anu mu nyina eka enti ema wadwen ekope enti ye kasa enti mu atete sorry itime kwa ko wura sɔre mu te yimpanimfo kra wa sɔre mu a ɔsɔfo pɛ de ofi ne krom de ɔbɛn no sɛ nipa no wɔ competence so ni competence ɛno no nti hwɛ ni esi to yɛ aba eti ɛno no nso ha yɛ adwene na ɔman biara wɔn kasa dɔɔso paa no ne continent biara wɔn kasa dɔɔso paa no ɔmo nyɛ develop ewiase nyinaa asa ne tie iti woko America ayiro so Spanish English ene kakra bi e ka ho woko Chinese omo ka Mandarin eno ene enan bi e ka ho eno kra yenta nka ho nyina ka Mandarin no woko Germany woko sua de kra ba bi o ho so sua German language do ansa watimi akọ anim woko UK English na tiswo woko Switzerland omo so ka German French kakra Italian kakra Romanish kakra Africa kasa ye kano ha no ebo yedu 2000 uba ye Ghana ha yi a minka bebre enti ya dwen no nkoko enti obia penikom ni asem enti politics mumpo leader no ba opese ni komfo ene yeye enti wo sha appointment a ye in politics mu Africa ube tracy nipa ye ministers ne ade nyina no ube ho se oni any president our relationship bi ana se free won akachi ana se oben won ana otena o ma minche ana bibi sa no na won ne do so enti ube ye ni den sa ne be sa nipa no ba enye competence ntini ye di no e affiliation enti ye ti Ghana hey ebeye din yi pa se president bi beba no bi so se MPP ti so yi obefa NDC ni bia onimu nyansa enimu adwuma so me ye adwuma ma no ye nti bi da me wa America 2012 and ye Chuck Hagel or ye Republican or ye Democrat but Obama no ye Democrat or ye president no ye ni say one financial baby say or ye no defense secretary oh shit your friend say soldier for ni buying bonny idea how you will be a tisa you better so be cool criterion and he ain't na ye no and he da no na ye kwechi ye appointment ye share competence but ye share affiliation if you say enipa no ben ya enyina betime enyi sika kakra anase ye bewie sika kakra na ria akọ ye kromu ye no memunu anu nti opaw ye nse ye mehwe so no ya to atwe ne baabi kra eti enu ye adeko na me de wo ko Bible mo be hu say Tower of Babel ebra won nyina no kasa kro no Sanskrit language and won di si after Noah breso Omsi Tower na sebeya isire be biwa enka won no be froso no nyame hu se wan adwene abomu akoko no they were developing no mo ko anim pa and also sound kasa on tini ensidio sa hono in Babylon kruno kusi ya friend of confusion enti o mind biara won kasa do so bebra ye ethnic politics said ye began ni Africa amanya aka no masa yempunto ewachipa the other thing amaya koyechi over reliance on foreign tastes. Yes. Ya
kono e war and crofama.
Kono war amount for say brochure for ni amaya develop no won niema wo ye nso. Ye wa kono sin. Wo so sin yan kasa yikrom ha. Niema ye. Enti we African ni wako school se biti hey. Na the edited team here ebi abanchi apesie bi ni
waboso kontomre bi sa
kontomre bi ni ade we di bia yeso wonye refined
waboso
wako akura na wawofofo bi kama edi eniema bi agugu so kama sani enim ade titi ye no nti bo aye mi enya adwumpa edi sua ade ekọ enimu ane ya bimbin wo school ne ye di pesa eni niema ifie brochire if you one year beer when you're refined. Minister beer will feel a cra na near Odi no want me modi wa crano, so they were getting until your mammy cram for Betrono as so introducing to new ways of life. The problem can see about Copan and tea. It's not the same. Yedi we are yenya dia yesu sapia pia no mo ade yi esimu no ene ye krafu China na bisase enema ne woga na ha na enka sese itimi die kire ne ekoye nim ne ya ye self reliant no ewo hin mi sa mi nyini no eminim se ye wo bonsa tie factory Neminim say wo Aboso glass factory. Neminim say wo Kade match factory. Neminim say wo meat factory. Neminim say wo ewo bolga. Neminim say wo Pualugu tomato. Isawom cannery. Neminim bebre. Kwame Nkrumah hu say ye soja ye hia matches. Into ye bi Kade. Akwanye da Enkan Ekotema Kwame Osan esi Tema Township Onimsi ye koko enti jute factory ewo Kumasi
exactly
ye be produce sakta ya de be so ye koko no di sampani mfo Kwame Nkrumah ko ye ho abetina so nyina se eniema ta no we di sawum
watonton
sika no on de edien
ayira.
That is it. And to see a quiet cheer, and you may say, and then you pay school, or we obey university, a Juma will be no heading. This I said, three say the Fourth Republic is as factories do not say job avenues obeying ye beer, and more free school on betting ye be. You miss some Sabi 1 year, a cool school MSLC, 9 years secondary school cry. Only year Juma Kiss. If you say ne Juma o bi we ya me professor ba ko ka kire me say ebra oba University of Cape Coast ebra o mu be wie no na GNTC 4 ne liver de ben 4 ne on the one cancer basis where you hwehwem o ka ye ready o bibia bisa oba ka say leaders and I me kan am de ko leadership deficit no so no eya na me pese meka but em se obeka se ya dwene wo fom kakra
Dog mpacho say
me pese me repeat
Asana line mu twetwe cement.
You any yeah, you recording no. Oh, and see when we auntie and I may acquire chino. The coffee foreign taste, the entire day, yes, the near my union. Ekete na bibi nya shekot. That is say, or your minister, or your parliamentarian, or your CEO, or shekot about tie. By any side, we can forget us winning honey. And the foreign taste. Yes, okay. I will come to talk for foreign taste. You know, the TN say, a baby, I know this can be a command for no. If you say 1 year, no to change, would you know? We import more. If you know, so you're back on my question. The obvious say, me cardiac in local factories in the idea, yeah, training. When you say, a baby midday, your chocolate be, yeah, any Ghana, hey, echo US. Na me wonam fo abrofo a me ne won tie am so me call Ghana de me di bre money omuji echedi no ade echia na pa be 7 me ho na ebo me kunum ade on kan be ji bi onnim se bribi sei wo ho e de yi na me misa o se ye ni Swiss chocolate ye he na ede
ye de na ede pa
ye de no. Then so Switzerland before na top can chocolate obia wo ko touch obia no ne hia
enso ye dua cocoa ho
ye dua cocoa ho yen ye cocoa yi ka ye six factory ke se pa we are singina you produce chocolate ma wa me gidi sake wiska ya ka yen any NDC nye NPP nye CPP nye eni ye eni enti eno ya ba ko a eno so ehaya bi Mini ade mi kosu bio na makai bia the last one na enede ene de asiem. A misunderstanding of democracy. Yeah, no. The democracy no yentiasie. Yentiasie kra. Democracy wan fa anwen. Ye dia ye friend of third wave democracy. Late 80s, early 90s, and abrofoni say corruption near there. A war African tea. Any other developing countries in tea. When the Busia Comawa na dictators no afa, the Bini Abacha. When the Comawa, not just a one chedi, they am development. It is Adia Yen caught democracy. Amahood will be bring a referendum, and you get 2 more. You get 2 more. Ya jia to musa democracy ye di nyina kwa kwesi abatoso enti ye panin bi no be di 4 years 5 years no ko na another one aba ko di 4 years oba oni ni nkrofo ye omu ruler ye busiafo na omu wia na omu de sika no ko enti yen ye friend no kebi mamin kebi which is not the right thing enti katakasa nkwa ye wi ye no nye democracy. Yes, Goni Freno, Enocracy. ANOCRACY.
Enocracy.
Enocracy.
Until we are not practicing democracy, waha.
No, David. Yeah, democracy, yeah, no. International conflict management for my PhD. Now, yeah, politics and security in India, and Yamasa Umupa. May you be a democracy in Ghana, and your democracy. Enocracy. Enocracy no a political system which is neither fully democratic nor fully autocratic, often being vulnerable to political instability. Enti odi opa ko gine wiram na ka se ehejo bodo anoma bi beka se enshi rado odi ajo so yeah no we worship our leaders. And to be able to leader be my year research, be leader be our free Sophie, Yura Rollins Abreso, ABC Sabri. So, free swa, and who's an call for no dada. On cano crench, no. Bien, you president ye de enya obi bie na no aka president wo bo modin pa wo ya de obi aji udi ni isa ni ka guna som. We worship people. It is my president no under the guise of democracy omuye autocratic. As you say, Nimprofo aka said the all ye no neye. It is nipa no aye hwe won so no as a leader no. Na watu won go. Na Nimprofo no wo hwe won. It is anti-democracy no ase. Democracy ba ko e wo mni say. Say we create jobs. Say we build the state institutions. Say patriotism. Really panumu ye do ye mind. Matana America kakra. Ufra America near war stage 6. Nakatwonka history of America. Obekeni na actual from first president to the last. Obekeni na to the current. Freakola or pay from 2 SHS. Na katen to onka kwame nkroma ho asem ohun. Patriotism aira. Ini oman no ho. Institutions have been politicized, including the security agencies. It is a problem here. And today, so party be a power. Now sure be a someone before who free because you do now a boy be about leave him. He is one of our own. The commander no, we are commander no, he a slow no guy. And today I can say vigilantism near the bit of my name is 2020 abano he a day was crown. As you say, security agencies have been politicized, and to be opposition officer he should rely on his own security. Yes, sir, you be seen. The problem I my employee nimna ye huntum from mama who was so almost 3 years no then so mukro yem he say ye will call jisika e wo ho no e lubini the democracy no ye ntiase ye cascade building no and they say we institutions are one di aman no mra e ye juma no one fa aban no tiso nipe e na ye juma enti wo de hwe Friday be over, we to walk office be about 12. Control be out. Penina or no cry because ye so or the institution no done on car and a decro vehicle no and or decro. It's a same institution, yes, a penny you are the OPBA or no unsaka. And on my friend of democratic institutions because your penny no done no direct ticket. He doesn't own the institution. And yes, so be a cohort any time one. Unyadi open. Mother, my main can't accept it to a bench. Let me a student ewo United States. I'm a PhD. That will me free. Me buy me free classes by me room apartment. Now me free ja. Omwa de see me kitchen home. I say. Now about 5:30, about 4:30, 1.5. And I didn't recap catch one say me free, you know. I say, and Timmy my home no cry say. Now I'm catching Timmy so make us watch on a pack on the baby. Now I'm so mean court now met wonka. But within 15 minutes, I'm the brand new fridge about this year. And no man sent to say, Bibi won't be free, you know, I say no. Mean cost to na me from my own chair. And none your apartment to none your friend said democratic institution. Yeah, democracy they say I got no radios wakasa. And near my way this is the politicians. I just say we are institutional head. Now to me and my own crop one home carry 1 year jumano. You 1 year different social name. And and also we are practicing democracy.
Okay. Tell what I say. Series where you be no ending of this month, the last Wednesday of this month. And you know, I know pay one mama temba maintain that. Say bibi or your friend of democracy. A form of government here partly democratic and partly autocratic.
Yes, democracy.
Maybe are to be team.
Now, me pacho answer me call mama in Kawe. The mini who can internal. The ma yang kati self-inflicted weaknesses are. Am I a coyetino and Americano? We are the external one, no, a bit Dwaso.
The boy Yamin Pai said you are the two.
But that's it. Yamin, come on.
Yame and Kawon so Dr. Kingsley J, a senior lecturer at Cape Coast University. Mamin Fabɛwɔso didn't see her there. Nafe membra masem nieso. Ebeka asem na otwe mi ensani. E sha ase ne o poor man. Ebe wie enne. Africa set up. Thank you. Shadow Suma me sir.